Welcome back to eGreen Channel. Chia pudding is a delicious and healthy treat. It's made with chia seeds, which are full of good things. These tiny seeds are like magic. They turn into a pudding-like texture when mixed with liquid. It's fun to make and so good for you. Chia pudding is perfect for breakfast, a snack, or even dessert. It's easy to make and you can add your favorite flavors. Are you ready to try it? Let's get started. You only need a few simple ingredients to make chia pudding. Let's meet them. Chia seeds. These little seeds are the stars. They are full of fiber, protein, and healthy fats. Milk. You can use any milk you like. Almond milk, soy milk, coconut milk, or cow's milk. Sweetener. A little bit of sweetness makes it even more delicious. You can use maple syrup, honey, or agave. Vanilla extract. A dash of vanilla adds a warm flavor. See? Simple and healthy ingredients for a yummy treat. Making chia pudding is super easy. Just follow these simple steps. Mix. In a jar or bowl, mix together 1/4 cup of chia seeds, 1 cup of your favorite milk, 1 tablespoon of sweetener, and a dash of vanilla extract. Stir everything together really well. Make sure there are no clumps of chia seeds. Rest. Cover your jar or bowl and put it in the fridge for at least 2 hours, or even better, overnight. That's it. It's that easy. Here's the fun part. You can add your favorite toppings to make your chia pudding extra special. Fresh fruit, strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, or bananas are delicious. Nuts and seeds, almonds, walnuts, pumpkin seeds, or sunflower seeds add a nice crunch. Coconut flakes. A sprinkle of coconut flakes adds a touch of sweetness and texture. Cacao nibs. For a chocolatey twist, add some cacao nibs. What are your favorite flavors? Get creative and have fun with it. Section 5. Breakfast, snack, or dessert. Chia pudding is the answer. Whether you're looking for a nutritious start to your day, a quick and healthy snack, or a delightful dessert, chia pudding fits the bill perfectly. Chia pudding is so versatile. You can customize it with a variety of toppings and ingredients to suit your taste and dietary needs. From fresh fruits and nuts to chocolate chips and coconut flakes, the possibilities are endless. It's perfect for any time of day. Whether you're enjoying it in the morning, as a midday snack, or as a sweet treat after dinner, chia pudding is always a good idea. Breakfast. Start your day with a healthy and delicious breakfast. Chia pudding is packed with nutrients like omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and protein, which will keep you full and energized all morning long. Imagine waking up to a ready-made breakfast that not only tastes great but also provides you with the energy you need to tackle your day. Chia pudding can be prepared the night before, making your mornings hassle-free. Snack. Need a quick and nutritious snack? Chia pudding is the perfect choice. It's easy to prepare and can be stored in the fridge for a convenient grab-and-go option. Whether you're at work, at school, or on the go, chia pudding is a satisfying snack that will keep you going until your next meal. Plus, it's a great way to curb those midday cravings without reaching for unhealthy options. Dessert. Yes, you can even have chia pudding for dessert. It's a guilt-free way to satisfy your sweet tooth. With its creamy texture and endless topping possibilities, chia pudding can be as indulgent or as light as you want it to be. Top it with your favorite fruits and a drizzle of honey or maple syrup for a healthy sweet treat. You can also add a sprinkle of cinnamon or a dash of vanilla extract to enhance the flavor. No matter when you enjoy it, chia pudding is a delicious and nutritious choice. It's a versatile dish that can be tailored to fit any occasion and any time of day. So the next time you're wondering what to have for breakfast, snack, or dessert, remember that chia pudding is the answer. It's a simple, healthy, and delicious option that you can enjoy anytime, anywhere. Section 6. Chia seeds, tiny but mighty for your health. Don't let their size fool you. Chia seeds are packed with nutrients. They are full of fiber. Fiber is important for a healthy digestive system. High in protein. Protein helps build and repair tissues in our body, rich in omega-3 fatty acids. These healthy fats are good for our heart and brain, a good source of antioxidants. Antioxidants help protect our cells from damage. Eating chia pudding is an easy way to get all these amazing health benefits. Section 7. Tips and tricks for the perfect pudding. Making the perfect chia pudding can be a delightful experience, and with a few extra tips, you can ensure it turns out perfectly every time. Whether you're a seasoned cook or a beginner, these tricks will help you master the art of chia pudding. Here are a few extra tips to make sure your chia pudding turns out perfectly every time. don't overmix. Overmixing can break down the chia seeds and affect the texture of your pudding. Instead, gently stir the mixture just until the chia seeds are combined with the liquid. This ensures that the seeds remain intact and can absorb the liquid properly. Stir the mixture just until the chia seeds are combined with the liquid. This step is crucial because it allows the chia seeds to start absorbing the liquid, which is essential for creating that perfect pudding-like texture. If you overmix, you might end up with a runny consistency, which is not what we want. Refrigerate for at least 2 hours. Patience is key when it comes to chia pudding. The chia seeds need time to absorb the liquid and swell up, creating that delightful, creamy texture we all love. If you're in a hurry, you might be tempted to check on it too soon, but trust me, giving it enough time in the fridge is worth the wait. Chia seeds need time to absorb the liquid and create that pudding-like texture. Store in the fridge. The longer you let it sit, the thicker and creamier it will become. Ideally, you should let it sit overnight for the best results. This also makes chia pudding a great make-ahead breakfast or snack option. Chia pudding can be stored in the fridge for up to 5 days. This means you can prepare a big batch at the beginning of the week and enjoy it over the next few days. Get creative with flavors. You can add different fruits, nuts, and spices to keep things interesting. Some popular options include adding vanilla extract, cocoa powder, or even a touch of cinnamon. Don't be afraid to experiment with different milks, sweeteners, and toppings. Almond milk, coconut milk, and oat milk are all great alternatives to regular dairy milk. You can also try different sweeteners like honey, maple syrup, or agave nectar. Toppings can range from fresh berries and sliced bananas to granola and shredded coconut. The possibilities are endless, and experimenting with different combinations can be a lot of fun. With a little practice, you'll be a chia pudding pro. Remember, the key to perfect chia pudding is patience and creativity. Don't be afraid to try new things and make the recipe your own. Enjoy the process and the delicious results. Section 8. Chia Pudding. Your canvas for creativity. Chia pudding is a versatile and nutritious treat that can be customized to suit any taste or dietary preference. Whether you're looking for a quick breakfast, a healthy snack, or a delightful dessert, chia pudding can be your go-to option. Chia pudding is like a blank canvas. Its simplicity allows you to experiment with a variety of flavors, textures, and ingredients. The basic recipe involves soaking chia seeds in a liquid, such as almond milk or coconut milk, until they form a gel-like consistency. From there, the possibilities are endless. You can add your own personal touch to create unique and delicious flavor combinations. Think of it as an opportunity to express your culinary creativity. Whether you prefer sweet, savory, or a mix of both, chia pudding can be tailored to your liking. Let's explore some exciting ideas to get you started. Here are a few ideas to get you started. Chocolate peanut butter. This combination is perfect for those who love the rich and indulgent flavors of chocolate and peanut butter. It's like having a dessert that's also good for you. Use almond milk, peanut butter, cocoa powder, and maple syrup. These ingredients blend together to create a creamy and decadent base for your chia pudding. The almond milk provides a smooth texture, while the peanut butter adds a nutty richness. The cocoa powder gives it a chocolatey depth, and the maple syrup adds a touch of natural sweetness. Top with chopped peanuts and banana slices. The chopped peanuts add a satisfying crunch, and the banana slices bring a fresh and fruity element to the mix. This combination is not only delicious but also packed with nutrients. Strawberry shortcake. For a lighter and fruitier option, try this delightful combination. Use coconut milk, honey, and vanilla extract. The coconut milk gives the pudding a tropical twist, while the honey adds a natural sweetness. The vanilla extract enhances the overall flavor, making it reminiscent of a classic strawberry shortcake. Top with fresh strawberries and crumbled graham crackers. The fresh strawberries add a burst of juiciness, and the crumbled graham crackers provide a delightful crunch. This combination is perfect for those who enjoy a light and refreshing treat. Tropical paradise. Transport yourself to a tropical island with this exotic combination. Use coconut milk, mango puree, and lime juice. The coconut milk serves as a creamy base, while the mango puree adds a vibrant and fruity flavor. The lime juice gives it a zesty kick, making it a refreshing and invigorating option. Top with chopped mango, pineapple, and toasted coconut flakes. The chopped mango and pineapple add a burst of tropical sweetness, and the toasted coconut flakes provide a delightful crunch. This combination is perfect for those who love the flavors of the tropics. The possibilities are endless. Let your imagination run wild. Experiment with different ingredients, flavors, and textures to create your own unique chia pudding masterpieces. Whether you're in the mood for something sweet, savory, or a mix of both, chia pudding can be your canvas for creativity. Enjoy the process and have fun with it. Section 9. Ready, set, pudding? So what are you waiting for? Grab your ingredients and make a batch of chia pudding today. It's easy, healthy, delicious, and so much fun to customize. Enjoy experimenting with different flavors and toppings and discover your own perfect chia pudding creation. Subscribe to The Green Channel, the brainchild of Said Mustafa, a dedicated public health professional and visionary, committed to providing you with valuable insights for a healthier and happier life. Stay tuned for more interesting facts.